Think you need fancy drugs to turn back the clock? Think again. Imagine reversing your biological age by 2 whole years in just 8 weeks with everyday foods. Green tea, turmeric, berries, garlic, your kitchen's hidden fountain of youth. These aren't gimmicks. Science calls them methyl adaptogens, packed with polyphenols that mess with your DNA's aging clock. Not through weight loss, but deep inside your cells. These foods tweak DNA methylation, the chemical tags that control how genes age you. Picture your DNA, glowing younger, your body's internal clock rewinding, and it only takes 1 serving a day. 1 cup of green tea or a handful of berries could be your secret weapon. This isn't some expensive treatment or miracle pill, just nature's powerful compounds working quietly, backed by a study of men aged 50 to 72. They cut their epigenetic age by over 2 years, simply by eating these foods regularly. Why does it work? Polyphenols like EGCG in green tea, curcumin in turmeric, and allicin in garlic activate enzymes that protect your cells from aging. They even influence pathways linked to diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Think of it as daily armor for your cells. But here's the twist. The study controlled for weight loss, so shrinking your waistline isn't the secret. It's these foods, pure and simple. So could your next grocery run be a prescription for youth? What would you try first? A turmeric latte or a berry smoothie? Drop your pick below. Ready to turn back your biological clock, one delicious bite at a time? Now let's dive deeper into how exactly these foods work their magic. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or feeling tired. It's a complex process happening at the cellular level. Our DNA carries tiny chemical markers called methyl groups that can switch genes on or off. Over time, these markers accumulate in patterns that signal aging. This process is called DNA methylation, and it's like a biological timer counting down your lifespan. When these methylation patterns get out of balance, it can lead to age-related diseases and decline. That's where methyl adaptogens come in. These special compounds in foods help balance DNA methylation, essentially slowing or even reversing the aging clock inside your cells. Green tea's EGCG is a superstar here. It's a powerful polyphenol that not only acts as an antioxidant, but also supports DNA repair and methylation balance. Drinking green tea regularly floods your body with EGCG, helping protect your cells from oxidative stress, one of the key drivers of aging. Turmeric's curcumin is another hero. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin also influences gene expression by modulating DNA methylation. This means it can help turn off genes that accelerate aging and turn on those that promote cell repair and longevity. Berries, packed with anthocyanins and flavonoids, are antioxidant powerhouses that protect your DNA from damage and support healthy methylation patterns. Their vibrant colors are a sign of the rich polyphenols they contain. Garlic, often overlooked, contains allicin and sulfur compounds that have been shown to support detoxification pathways and promote healthy DNA methylation. Eating garlic regularly can boost your cellular defenses and reduce inflammation, another major factor in aging. What's exciting is that these foods don't just work individually, they work synergistically. Combining green tea, turmeric, berries, and garlic in your diet amplifies their benefits, creating a powerful network of protection and rejuvenation at the cellular level. The study that revealed these effects involved men between 50 and 72 years old who incorporated these foods daily for 8 weeks. Researchers took blood samples and measured their epigenetic age, an estimate of biological aging based on DNA methylation patterns. The results were remarkable. Participants reduced their epigenetic age by over 2 years on average. And importantly, this wasn't due to weight loss or changes in exercise habits. It was the direct impact of these methyl adaptogen-rich foods. Imagine that. Just by enjoying a daily cup of green tea or a turmeric-spiced meal, you could wind back the clock on your cells by years. This opens up a natural, accessible way to support healthy aging without expensive supplements or treatments. Beyond aging, these foods have been linked to lowering risks of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. That's because DNA methylation also controls genes involved in inflammation, metabolism, and immune function. By fine-tuning these processes, methyl adaptogens help maintain overall health and resilience as you age. So how can you incorporate these powerful foods into your daily routine? Start simple. Swap your afternoon coffee for green tea. Add turmeric to soups, stews, or smoothies. Snack on a handful of mixed berries, and include garlic in your cooking whenever you can. Even small changes add up quickly. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Consistency is key here. Just one serving a day makes a difference. And the best part? These foods are delicious and easy to find at your local grocery store. You don't need fancy supplements or hard-to-find ingredients. Plus, they come with a host of other benefits like improved digestion, better heart health, and enhanced brain function. Now let's talk about some tasty ideas to get you started. How about a refreshing berry smoothie blended with turmeric and a dash of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption? Or a warm turmeric latte with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a touch of honey. Sip on green tea throughout the day instead of sugary drinks. Roast garlic and mix it into your favorite pasta, salad, or vegetable dishes. These simple swaps can transform your meals into daily acts of cellular rejuvenation. It's also important to remember that no single food is a magic bullet. Healthy aging is about a balanced lifestyle. Good sleep, stress management, regular movement, and a nutrient-rich diet all play vital roles. But by including these methyl adaptogen-rich foods, you're giving your cells powerful tools to protect and repair themselves. And the science backs it up. With ongoing research into epigenetics and nutrition, we're learning more every day about how what we eat influences how we age. This is just the beginning of a new era where food acts as medicine at the genetic level. So, are you ready to embrace this natural, delicious approach to turning back your biological clock? Whether it's a turmeric latte or a berry smoothie, starting today could mean feeling younger, healthier, and more vibrant tomorrow. Why wait for expensive treatments when nature's fountain of youth is right in your kitchen? Share your favorite methyl adaptogen-rich recipe ideas, or tell us which food you're excited to try first. Let's make healthy aging a delicious, everyday habit. Because aging gracefully isn't about fighting time, it's about nourishing your body from the inside out, one bite at a time.